Okay, so in this video I want to show you how easy it is to basically make your own version of a shirt that's selling pretty well on Merch by Amazon. And to do so, all you really need is to find a shirt. This one has 751 ratings. It's doing pretty well, $19.99. It is Amazon Merch on Demand, which is their own little program where you can actually create an account there too, and you could upload t-shirts there. But first step is take a little screenshot here. And like in the past, this would be impossible to replicate, but I'm 100% positive this was done with AI. So I'll take a screenshot, I'll save it to my computer. I'm using Snagit for that. I'll just save it right there. And now I will go to Midjourney, and I'm in the alpha version of Midjourney, which apparently is when you've made like a whole ton of designs. And you can see I did a couple already of like Bigfoot and another one there of this one, which is actually kind of funny. So the step number one is go here and then just upload your image. So I'm just going to go click on this, and I'll grab that image. And then what I will do is actually grab the title. So it's Alien Cat UFO shirt. And I'm going to take that and go here. And I'm going to put this in here. Now I am actually going to use a slightly different one because I know this one works better. Selfie with UFOs weird. Okay, so I'll go like this. Alien cat UFO. I'll say cat taking a selfie with 3 UFOs in the sky, and then black and white color. Then I'll just do this --IW2, which means image weight 2. So then we'll have a look at this, see what we can come up with. It'll take a minute, but it allows you to do some crazy weird stuff that you would never be able to do in a million years without AI. So your version of Midjourney might look a little bit different because you might be on a Discord server, which is fine. It still works. The commands work the same. You can upload things the same. Oh, I don't know if I'm getting color here or not. But like, if you look at the original, which is like this one, right? And then you look at mine, it's pretty similar. Like even this, or like this one's pretty cool. This one's awesome. You could even change it too. You could say like, confused cat taking a selfie. Try that one. So we're just going to make the look on the cat's face a little more confused. Although most of those ones turned out pretty good. They were kind of confused. But then what you want to do once you get this, and this isn't the best image to use because it's going to be fairly big and it'll print in like a square block. And when you do that with print on demand, they don't tend to last quite as long. Although the print quality is pretty good now from all the print on demand suppliers. So here we go. So it's like, there's a cat taking a selfie. Oh man, too funny. So the next step you want to do, like, you pick the one you like. You could even rerun this a couple times to get a couple different versions. But something like, I don't know, maybe that one. It's pretty cool. You just want to clean it up a bit. So you just right click, save image. And you can see it's even, the cat is literally pulling out the cord to my my microphone right now, my own cat. I would go to Photopea, which is free, photopea.com. Just drag that file in there. And now we can just do a little crop, a slight crop to get rid of some of the excess here. Make it look a little bit better. Just trim, because the corners didn't come out exactly how I wanted them. So then I can go image, crop. Then I can go image size. And I could go up to 300 dpi here. And if you're getting a little bit of a weird looking texture on there, let's bring that up and then let's fit this on the screen. So a 300 dpi print file is pretty good, But you can see there's some blurs there. So what I might want to do is go back and upscale it, possibly, which is here. And then you go back to your create, and you'll see it'll like upscale it a little bit. I don't know why that even had that on there. It's weird. Let's X out of that. X out of that, and now we're back here. And you can see this version is a little clearer, slightly, I guess. But, I mean, it's a cat with UFOs in the background taking a selfie, so how crystal clear do you want it to be? You could do something like photorealistic as well, if you really wanted to. But the point is, now that I have that as a design file, I could upload it to the print-on-demand supplier as a design, and I could sell it, or I could go to like merch on demand and sell it, and I could make a whole bunch of different versions too if I wanted. So I would just hit like rerun, and it'll pull up a whole bunch of different ones. I could even say happy cat, or instead of confused, like you could change the parameters there in your prompt. And basically, when you play around with that a little bit, you'll get a lot of good stuff. I could even go like this, and I could change image weight to 1 instead of a 2, and see what that comes up with. It's throwing some color in here. Oh no, I took the color out. This one, the cat has like is actually holding a phone. This is funny. These are all like just the weirdest type of images ever. But this is image weight 2, and this one is image weight 1. It will just change it slightly depending on that. So you can see I basically took one that's got like anything that has like 751 reviews. It's a good thing. Now, I think they're reviewing more than just this shirt. Lots of strange looks, like people trying to figure it out. Oh, that's too funny. Yeah, my favorite shirt, the cat face, is hilarious. People always comment how funny it is, so there you go. And there's another one, cat selfie with alien. Let's look at that one too. If you wanted to do like more of that style, you would just do the exact same thing. Just take a screenshot of that, plug it in over here, and you can get a whole bunch of different variations coming out. This one's got a weird background, but anyway, you get the idea. People will look at the shirt because it is quite funny, and using Midjourney, you can easily replicate this with the image weight. And I think image weight goes down from 0 to 2 on Midjourney. So here we'll go right to the horse's mouth here. To weight. There it is. Image weight. 6 out of that. So use the image weight parameter --IW to adjust the importance of the image versus text portion of a prompt. The default value is used when no image weight is specified. Higher image weight values mean the image prompt will have more impact on the finished job. See the multi-prompts page for information relative importance between parts of a prompt. Different Midjourney version models have different image weights. So the default in version 6 is 1. And it'll go up to 3. It only went up to 2. Version 5 is up to 2. Version 4 didn't have it apparently. And this one has it to 0 to 3. So it gives you a way to basically take images, screenshots, and just make your own version. So you don't want it to look identical to what you're using for inspiration, but it's a really simple way to, especially if you're on like Amazon Merch on Demand, it's a crazy way to get a lot of shirts up there, and you can see which ones are selling. I would even go so far as brand Funny Cats. What is this? The whole brand? Okay, So somebody just uploaded a bunch of them. Funny cat selfie graphic tee. Yeah. So you can really, as long as it's not the same as the one that you're looking at. I mean, everybody copies and does their own version, so that's what you can do here quite easily. And that's how you do it with Midjourney. And if you don't have the alpha version, just basically, I think it's 1,000 of these you have to do, and I think I'm at like 2,500 prompts that I've put in so far. So I've gotten pretty good at Midjourney. That's just one. Image weight's just one. There's a whole bunch of other things that you can use that are very cool. And I can even use text as well. So go there, find something you like, go here, plug it in, and then use Photopea to kind of clean it up and make it look pretty and get it to the right size for your, in this case, print-on-demand supplier. And Bob's your uncle. You're off to the races. Let me know if you've used this before, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.